Hey guys, welcome back to iConcept Phones. Today we're going to review the TobenOne UDS033 Docking Station. TobenOne reached out to me and asked me if I want to review one of their products. Thank you for providing me this unit. Of course, I will tell you my independent personal opinion about it. Let's go. This docking station comes with 18 ports supporting a 4-monitor setup. On the back we get 3 HDMI and 3 display ports. In total we have 6 ports, but we can only use 4 monitors at the same time. The DisplayPort 1 and HDMI 1 can only power one single monitor, so you can choose which port you want to use. The DisplayPort 2 and HDMI 2 works the same, whereas the DisplayPort 3 and HDMI 3 can work simultaneously and power a third or even a fourth monitor. The LAN port supports up to 1000 Mbits per second. Great that I've got a Vodafone gigabit internet package. I easily reach around 860 Mbits per second with my old LAN cable, which I need to replace ASAP. Nevertheless, it's a great result. Furthermore, we get 4 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1, 1 on the back and 3 on the front side. Next to the DC port for powering this docking station, we have the so-called host port, which we need to connect with our laptop. Lastly, on the front panel we get a headphone multiport, 2 USB-C 3.0, microSD and SD card slots. The first and the second HDMI and display ports support up to 4K 60Hz, while the Display 3 and HDMI 3 ports support 8K 30Hz. In total, we can use up to 4 monitors. In this case, I'm only using 2 monitors with Full HD and Quad HD resolution. The LAN ports reaches 1 gigabits per second and works fine. The included host cable supports USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 and can charge your laptop with 100 watts. It's great that TobenOne includes a 120 watt DC fast charger in the box. The USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports transfer files with 10 gigabits per second, while the USB-C 3.0 ports on the front can only transfer 5 gigabytes per second and use 18 watt PD fast charging. I tested it with my Poco F4 GT and it charges around 1270 mAh. The microSD and SD card slots can be used simultaneously. I transferred a 1 GB file in seconds. The power button is very useful to start the docking station. Finally, the aluminum shell doesn't only look beautiful, it's also great for heat dissipation. There is no ventilation slot, so I guess we don't have a built-in fan. That's great because of many people from the internet are complaining about fan noises on other docking stations. It's compatible with Thunderbolt 3 or 4 and even with a full-featured USB-C port. Before you purchase it, check the compatibility of your laptop. According to TobenOne, this dock works on Windows 10 Plus, Mac OS 11 Plus, Chrome OS 100 Plus, Android and Ubuntu, but not on Linux or Unix. Note that the MacBooks can only extend up to 3 displays. I've got here 2 laptops, the Dell Latitude 5320 with Thunderbolt 4 and the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 with only USB-C for charging and file transfer. I can use all the features on the Dell Latitude and even on the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5, which surprised me. No other dock works so far with it. In case you want to use a monitor with this dock, which makes sense, you need to install the Synaptics Display Link driver. I put the download link into the descriptions. The main reason to buy a docking station like this is that you don't want to plug in each accessory separately again and again to your laptop. Staying flexible is very important and saves your time. I installed my 27 and 32-inch monitors to HDMI 1 and DisplayPort 2. Sure, I could use 2 more monitors if I had these. Also, I'm using a shared network folder for specific software. It's faster to use a gigabit LAN cable to transfer files between my workstation and my laptop. The power button on the front cannot automatically power on your laptop because of this isn't a Thunderbolt 4 dock. What it does is to power the docking station to save energy. All in all, the TobenOne is a great quality docking station which supports Thunderbolt 3 and 4 next to full-featured USB-C ports. For the next development, it would be great to have a smart mounting system like a magnetic adapter to install it under the desk. Otherwise, I couldn't find any cons about this dock. It comes with a great build quality and all the needed parts. The design looks minimalistic and modern. The aluminum shell is sturdy and functions as passive heat dissipation. So if you're looking for a docking station which supports quad monitor setup and comes with many useful ports, then you should check this one. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and see you in the next video.